Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a Xbox One controller. This controller has 3 faults: X and Y button no register, also the shoulder button. So let's open up and see what's the problem.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
First we must disconnect the wires from the motors for the second motherboard, so we will be able to work more freely and with more space under the microscope if it's needed.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how.
Now, as you can see, we have a magnet for the left shoulder button, but in the right shoulder button it's already broken. As you can see, it's stuck in the metal thing. So the first problem is that the shoulder button is broken.
You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're
To clean the dirty X and Y button, always use IPA, isopropyl alcohol, and always it must be 90%.
sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries.
After the cleaning, I will connect two motherboards and test the X and Y button if register. As you can see, the IPA does the good. It's a magic tool for every repair. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. For the next step, I decided to use a spare part for another Xbox One controller. It was more easier to switch the middle plastic frame with shoulder buttons, because it's very hard to replace the shoulder button itself and it takes time. This is my first time full disassembly the Xbox One controller. As you can see, I forgot to switch the Wi-Fi button, so I lost a little time.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're